If you are tired of your rotten teeth and bleeding gums, simply let this probiotic soft candy melt on your tongue. Skeptical? I was too, but then I saw the shocking proof for myself. Within weeks, folks have reported pink gums, whiter teeth, fresh breath, and the pain completely gone. This revolutionary probiotic soft candy is also backed by science, with more and more prestigious universities such as Harvard and Stanford vouching for its amazing results. Watch this video to find out how you too can get back your smile, starting today. Don't worry, here's the solution. Do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth, after brushing your teeth, to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.